students, have a nice day. Now come on to discuss here the Newton-Raphson method. Newton-Raphson method is the most important methods to solve the solution of transcendental and polynomial equation. You know very well what is the polynomial and the transcendental equation. In this regard, let x be then an approximate root of the equation fx equal to 0, and let x1 be the x0 plus h, where h is the small interval, be the correct root, so that fx0 plus h equal to 0. Now then we have to expand this function by the Taylor's theorem. Then, and h is a very small quantity, then neglect the higher power of h, and this becomes to 0 if it is the real root. Then 0 equal to fx0 plus h upon factorial 1 f dash x0. Then find out the h equal to minus fx0 upon fx0 upon f dash x0. Now putting these value in this equation, then yes students, then we know that x1 is the approximate root and x0 plus h. The x1 is the real root, then x0 is the first approximation. Now we have to put this value of the h. x1 equal to x0 minus fx0 upon f dash x0. This is the first approximation of the Newton-Raphson method. This is first approximate root of the NR method. Similarly, we have to write the second approximation, then x2 equal to x1 minus fx1 upon f dash x1, and continue to these approximation. Then find out the xn plus nth approximation, xn minus fxn upon f dash xn. This is the general approximation of Newton-Raphson method. As students, now we have to discuss here the A1 problem. Apply the Newton-Raphson method to solve this equation. 3x minus cos x plus 1. Here 3x is an algebraic form and cos x is a trigonometric function. The combinations of algebraic and trigonometric function, then it is called the transcendental equation. This is a transcendental equation. First you write the solution, then write the given fx equal to 3x minus cos x plus 1 equal to 0. Now take the two approximation. Let x equal to 0, then here write the a equal to 0, then f0 equal to 3 into 0 minus cos 0 plus 1 is equal to, this gives the minus, here the equation, this is the minus sign, this gives the minus 2, this is a negative, and again b is equal to 1. Now put this value, then f1 equal to 3 into 1 minus cos 1 minus 1 is equal to, here the value put by the calculator to change the mode, radian को change कर लेंगे mode को, then we have to find out the solution by the calculator, and it is equal to 1.4597. here as f0 dot f1 is less than 0, so that the root is lies between 0 and 1. Up now we have to do the first approximation by Newton-Raphson method. As a student, after these lines we have to write down use the Newton-Raphson method, then write the Newton-Raphson method. The general approximation of Newton-Raphson method, xn plus 1 equal to xn minus fxn upon f dash xn. This is the formula of the Newton-Raphson method. Now if n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 up to so on, then gives this approximation. Now take n equal to 0, then gives the x1, x0 minus fx1 upon f dash x1. Now put these value in the equation. We know that x0 equal to take the first approximation is, let the x equal to 0.6. Here the taking the value 0 and 1 0 पे minus आया था and 1 पे positive. Now take a middle term 0.6. Then this gives the 0.6 minus f 0.6 and f dash 0.6, and here find out the f dash x. Then need to the 3 minus 3 plus sin x. This is the value of the f dash x. Clear? And now putting these value in the equations, and by doing the calculation we give the answer is 0.6071. Now come on to do the next approximation. Put n equal to 1, then x2 equal to x1 minus fx1 upon f dash x1, and putting the value of this in this equation. Yes, students, now write the second approximation, x2 equal to 0.6071 minus f of 0.6071 upon f dash 0.0671, and putting these value in the function, this function, and f dash s जहाँ पे निकाले थे वहाँ पे put कर देंगे, and find out the value by the calculator, and which is equal to also 0.6071. Hence, since x1 is equal to x2 is correct up to 4 decimal places, hence the required solution of the equation, or we have to write down the root of the equation is 0.6071. Okay, thanks. We have to do similarly another problems. Okay, thanks.